Surbhi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are keeping happy, healthy and grateful, and I hope you are as excited as I am for this video because first of all, how do you like my look today? I am completely loving it. This ponytail with these super glittery shimmery eyes and this very beautiful sequin top, and this is exactly what this video is going to be about. If you want to know how I achieved this look, stay till the end because we have a really special surprise for today's video, and that is my very beautiful and talented friend and makeup artist Priya Sharma. Let's welcome her.
Hey, hello everyone.
So my very beautiful friend here is a professional makeup artist and she's the reason behind all this glam up today. She has given me this beautiful blue glittery eyes. So do you want to tell them what we're going to do today and what's there for them to look forward to?
Yeah. आज हमने अलग अलग लुक्स ट्राई करे हैं बिकॉज वेडिंग सीजन चल रहा है. कभी कॉकटेल्स, कभी वेडिंग्स, कभी एंगेजमेंट्स, कभी कुछ. द गर्ल्स लव मेकअप. ट्राइड टू मेक दिस वीडियो सो दैट कि अगर आप अपने आप भी घर पे नॉर्मल मेकअप करना चाहो तो टिप्स आपको आगे मिल जाएगी. स्टे ट्यून्ड, देखते रहो कैसे मेकअप हुआ और ये लुक कैसे हमने अचीव किया.
Really, so this video is exactly to help you try out different makeup looks. You want to play around with some colors, and if you're bored of your basic makeup looks, so Priya is going to show us different makeup looks, so stay till the end. Also, you have to stay till the end because we have a huge giveaway at the end of the video.
Surprise.
This giveaway is going to have 3 lucky winners, and the giveaway is related to
makeup,
the makeup artist here. So leave your guesses below what do you think it's going to be, but do stay till the end because you cannot miss this one. So let's get started with the video, and I guess we're going to begin with this look, this cocktail look, to see how we have achieved this. Then keep on watching.
So guys, let's get started. In between the video, I'll let you know how to prepare your skin, how to use the products so the makeup will last for a long time and will not dry up your skin, will not give you cracks in between. The base will be the same and we'll keep on experimenting on the hairstyles and eye looks. Let's get started with the base now. So first point when we do makeup is CTM, that is cleansing. Before doing the makeup, we'll clean the skin. So as we have already cleaned her face, now we'll be using our moisturizer, that is from My Glam Glow Moisturizer. We'll put it in a good amount because it's winter, so we needed a good amount. I'm using this My Glam Glow Moisturizer. You can use any one, whatever is available, but take a good amount of moisturizer so that it will give a good grease and glow on your face. Now we are using our primer, that is Too Faced primer. You can use aloe vera gel if you are doing basic makeup, and for if you don't have any primer, you can use aloe vera gel as well as a primer. It will give a good finish on your face. It will basically make a wall between the makeup and the skin so that the makeup won't enter into your skin. ओके, सो जैसे हम लोगों ने पहले स्किन प्रिपेयर कर दिया है, प्राइमर यूज कर लिया है, अभी वी नीड टू मेक द बेस. सो बिफोर मेकिंग द बेस, एज टू जस्ट टू कवर ऑल द स्पॉट्स ओवर द फेस, विल यूज द करेक्टर. सो आई विल टेक द करेक्टर ऑन अ ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश and then put on all over the skin where there are dark spots like dark circles, pimple spots. वैसे तो your skin is very clear.
Okay.
Is it?
I don't need to put a lot of it, just a little amount. Always use it near the lips area because it is the oxidized area of our skin. For the oxidized area, we need to cover it better to get a good finish. And now we'll blend it with the blender. Always damp your blender before using it and do it like only dab. Never push it like this because lines आ जाएंगी face पे, makeup break हो जाएगा. After putting it, we'll need a concealer, a darker shade concealer. I'm using the Maybelline one. You can use any one. to cover this orange shade so that it will blend into the color of the skin.
So first we'll use the dark concealer and then we'll use the light one.
Light one was to give the brighter look. That will be after the foundation. This is before foundation.
Okay.
We'll put it over all of the areas जहाँ पर हमने orange corrector लगाया था. Maybelline is good for the beginners because it is affordable and definitely give great coverage. Let's now move for the base. So I'm using two of my favorites, Forever 52 and Milani. For Milani I'm using Creamy Vanilla and for Forever 52 I'm using 006. This is the best combination. I'll mix the both and apply on the face. So now let's just blend it properly. Take your proper time in blending. And never forget the neck area because it's really important to match your skin. Always tap, never rub it in on your face, you know. Even if you are using flat brush, apply the foundation and then use this blender. अभी हम जैसे ब्लेंडर यूज कर रहे हैं तो इससे जो ब्रश के स्ट्रोक्स होते हैं, दे विल आल्सो गेट रिमूव. बिल्कुल इक्वल आएगा पूरे फेस पे मेकअप आपके. अभी हमारा फाउंडेशन अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया है. अभी वी आर गोइंग टू सेट इट विद द लूज पाउडर और कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. जस्ट ऑलवेज मूव योर ब्रश इन दिस direction. It's a circular direction. Always close your eyes. Put it on your eyes or forehead. The area wherever you have put foundation, always set it. Otherwise, crease बन जाएगी, lines आ जाएंगी. It will not, you know, go for long time. Set it properly. After setting up the makeup, I usually use makeup fixer so that it will get fixed. It will not go anywhere. It will not make fine lines. आप सुबह से लेकर रात तक भी मेकअप कैरी करोगे, it will not get fine lines. So I'm using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and just give it 2 minutes to just settle it down. Now the next step for us is to brighten up the portions of highlighter, contour the skin and blusher. Firstly, I'm going to use my brighter concealer, this concealer Maybelline New York. Shade is 15. This should be one tone lighter than your natural skin. And put it on the highlighted areas only. Under eyes, bridge of your nose, your forehead area, the highlighted portion, upper lip, and this above your jawline. And again, I'm using the same blender to blend it. So it will highlight the high points of your face. Blend it properly. Take the time in blending. Important step. This is the basic step. Take proper time in blending. Do it very calmly and with lots of love. Let's move to the contouring, and I'm using this Forever 52 highlight and contour palette. You can use anyone, but this one is my favorite. So I usually take normal shades, but for party or for night makeups I'll go for darker shades. But for daily makeup you can even skip the contouring. Always contour from the hairline area. Now I'm using small brush for the nose area. So I'm using this small brush for the bridge of the nose. Let's bake the face now. As we have done with the contouring part, the coverage, everything, now we need to bake the under eye area, which is really important because with baking you just seal the makeup. So always take a banana powder, loose powder. You can take anything, whatever you want to take, any loose powder, and just bake it properly. Put a good quantity of powder over it. Put it also under the contour area so that it will highlight your contour as well. And then we'll remove it. So always remove it with the fan brush or the excessive makeup brush. So guys, my base is done. As it's winters, तो winters में थोड़ा सा अपने आप को अच्छे से moisturize करके base करो, अच्छे से moisturize करो, face को clean करो so that ये long lasting रहे. Let's move on to the next part, which is important and my favorite, blusher. I'm using this palette from Morphe, and it had beautiful and 8 shades. For her, I'll be using It Girl. Just smile. Always put the blush on the smiley area. That's it. The nose, because I personally like pink nose, so I'll always put it over there. It's your choice, you want to or not.
So guys, we have zoomed you in a little so that you can see the eye makeup अच्छे से. I am really excited for the eye makeup. So, what are you giving me? What shades?
Since you're wearing the sequin top and it is having a shade of blue, golden and brown, so I'm using the same. So now we are using this Beauty Glaze palette. It's such a beautiful palette. Let me open and show you. It's a color board. It has different palettes, so I just love to play with these colors. Today I'm going to play with brown and blue. Always take little bit of color. Never, never take color like this. Always take it like this. It will save your color. और अगर वो इकट्ठा हो जाएगा तो उसको blend करने में problem आएगी. Now I'll take a more darker shade. Outer corner से हम dark करेंगे so that वो intense look आए. Eyeshadow should be properly blended क्योंकि eye is a small area to play with colors. तो अगर आप अच्छे से blend करोगे तो सारे layers दिखेंगे. अगर अच्छे से blend नहीं होगा ना तो सारे layers नहीं दिखेंगे और वो पूरा mix लगेगा. और try to put little color, तो थोड़ा कलर लगाओ, थोड़ा सा कलर लो, उसको सेट करो. फिर इफ यू रियली फील कि अभी और कलर चाहिए तो उसको लेके उसको सेट करो. ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही बारी में बहुत सारा कलर ले लिया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस गोल्डन ग्लिटर पिगमेंट कलर so that कि उसके ऊपर मैं बाद में glitter shade दे सकूं. अभी I am using this glitter with the flat brush. See, and always take the color like this. Pigmented color आप हमेशा ऐसे ही लोगे और जो matte colors होते हैं just touch the brush and you'll get it. Now stretch the eye properly like this. Always close your eyes. Always stretch the eye and put the color from upwards to downwards, like from here to here. Always let the pigmented color merge into your matte color and blend it nicely. We'll be using this and I'll put it with my fingertip. For this also you just need to put it from upward to down. Eye look is the king of your makeup. सो गाइज ऐसे तो मेरा हाथ इस साइड सेट है, तो मैं जब हाथ वो स्ट्रेच करती हूँ तो आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट कि मैं आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे पाऊँ. अभी जब स्पार्कल लग गया, सो फॉर द इनर कॉर्नर वी आर यूजिंग दिस, क्योंकि हमारी रेंज जो है ब्रश की फिंगर की वो इनर कॉर्नर पे नहीं जाएगी. डन विद द स्पार्कल पार्ट. रिमूव द एक्सेस अकॉर्डिंगली बिकॉज नहीं तो वो क्लोज ओपन आईज, नहीं तो वो मेकअप पे आ जाएगा. So guys, as we have done with the makeup, अभी इस beautiful cocktail look के लिए I'm giving her a sleek pony so that she'll look more gorgeous. You have beautiful hair, so let's make the pony with your hair only. I don't need to put any, extra accessories for it. Okay, beautiful and silky hair, so I'll just comb it properly with my brush. So we have done with the pony. How do you like the pony? Okay.
I am completely in love with this pony, and I have put on these dangling silver earrings.
So guys, let's move on to the lipstick. I'm using this bleached shade of Forever 52. So we are done with the lipstick. Look at her look now.
I completely love this. I'm ready to go on a cocktail now. I am obsessed with this look. What do you think? How is it? Let us know in the comment section below.
So let's get started for the wedding look eye makeup. As we have already discussed, the base will be the same for all the makeups. We have already done the high coverage. Now we're concealing the eyes again because हमने वो वाला makeup remove कर दिया. As it contains pink, darker shade, wine, everything. So we'll just mix and match and give her a new look. We'll use this wine shade along with the black so that हम इनकी eyes को intense कर सकें. I'm using this palette of Revolution. It's pigmented palette and this shade. This will go according to the dress. We'll just close the eyes and slowly, very gently, we'll put pigmented colors very gently. Because ये बहुत जिद्दी होते हैं, ये जहाँ अटक गए वहीं अटक जाते हैं, फिर ये blend नहीं होते हैं. Now we are using the glitter and it's really good. We'll just show you the results. Using this palette, it has beautiful color shades. See, and I'm going to play with red, orange, and golden today. So I've just taken the red color and I'll blend it on the outer area of the eye. For this, I'll be using concealer and the brush, and I'll make a crease. So look, we have already created the crease. Now we'll just let it settle. And I'm putting the pigmented yellow in the inner corner. So guys, I have given her 3 different looks. One for Mehndi, in which she's wearing this yellow beautiful dress. One for cocktail with that blue shimmer and silver shimmer. And one for the wedding, in which she's wearing the lehenga and have given the proper eye makeup with the high heavy look, heavy jewelry, different hairstyles. Which look do you like the most? Comment down below and let us know.
Yes guys, I am totally in love with all the 3 different looks. Comment down below and let us know which one was your favorite. Now moving on to the most awaited part of the video, which we're sure you must be waiting for throughout the video, and that is the giveaway. So please tell them what the giveaway is going to be about.
So guys, as you know, the wedding season is going on, so I'm giving the 3 lucky winners the chance to glammed up by me. The lucky winners will get the discount vouchers of ₹1000 on any kind of makeup done by me.
Guys, isn't this really exciting? I was super excited to be glammed up by her, and now that I've seen all the 3 looks, I am not able to choose which one is my favorite. You let us know which look did you like best from this video. And like you heard from Priya about the giveaway, so to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is follow Priya Sharma Makeup Artistry on Instagram, follow For The Lover, which is my page on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below and let us know which is your favorite look, and also maybe what kind of makeup look would you want Priya to do for you. So what are you waiting for? Come on, jaldi se comment down karo. I am going to leave all of our Instagram handles in the description box below, and also on the screen here as well. Check out her page. She does some gorgeous makeup, and check out her page, show her some love, and yeah, participate in the giveaway. Hurry up, start commenting, share this with your friends. If you know anybody from your friends and family who have any events or wedding function coming up, you can participate in this giveaway for them, or you can simply let them know about it. So guys, that was it for this video. Let us know what you think about it. Give it a big thumbs up if you like the video, and also if you want the both of us to do more videos and makeup looks together, then let us know and we would love to do it. So that's it guys. I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, find out what you love and do a lot of it. Bye.